So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the side mirrors in your Tesla. So what you want to do is press this car button here, which is on the bottom right of your screen. And then from here, under the control setting, there should be an option for mirrors. So what you want to do is press mirrors, and then you can use the scroll wheel just here, just to adjust the side mirrors. So we're on the left side mirror at the moment. So in order to adjust this side mirror like this, you use the scroll wheel to move the mirror up and down, like so. And also you can click it left and right to adjust it to the left, like so, and to the right, like so. So I'm just pushing the scroll wheel to the right and left to adjust it. So I would say that's good for me. And then when we want to do the right side, we press right. And then now we can do the exact same thing. So we're using the left scroll wheel. So you scroll up to move it up, scroll down to move it down, and then press left to move it left, and right to move it right. So I would say that is good for me. Okay, so that's how to do it. That's everything for today's video. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.